Yeah, good morning everyone. Let's start the discussion with the nucleus structure. So nucleus is scientifically termed as karyon, or we can say the another name for the nucleus is karyon. Okay, so where we are going to use the word karyon, it is for the nucleus. Let's take a look on the structure of the nucleus. The nucleus is a dense body which is present in the eukaryotic cell. Fine. As it is covered with a well developed nuclear envelope, nuclear membrane, so it is a, what we can say, it is a developed structure. It is made up of two membranes, covered by two membranes, outer membrane this one and the inner membrane this one. Okay, inside this particular structure, that fluid matrix which is filled, this is termed as nucleoplasm. जैसे सेल में साइटोप्लाज्म है तो न्यूक्लियस में न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म है. Okay, this dense body which is not having any kind of membrane, this is the nucleolus, and the outer membrane of the nucleus is having the ribosomes also. These are the protein factory. This messy like thread like structure which is present over here, this is chromatin material. Okay, this is visible in those cells which are not about to divide, because when the cell is about to divide, this chromatin material is going to condense to form the chromosome structure. That we'll discuss later on over there. Fine. This outer membrane, this is, as you can see over here, it is going to fuse with the endoplasmic reticulum, which is another organelle, which is the network of the membrane. ओके, तो आउटर सरफेस जो है न्यूक्लियस का वो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से अटैच होता है. फाइन. सो लेट्स सी द फंक्शंस ऑफ दीज पार्ट्स. Nuclear membrane is responsible for separating the nuclear content from the cytoplasm, because इस न्यूक्लियस के बाहर क्या है, साइटोप्लाज्म है, so it is separating it out. It is double membrane structure. Nucleolus, it is responsible for making ribosomes and it is responsible for making RNA, ribonucleic acid. Fine. Another kind of genetic material. Chromatin material, as I have told you, this is present in the cell which is not going to divide, fiber like structure, and that is made up of DNA and protein. It is going to act as a hereditary material, as it is carrying the genes which are responsible for passing the characters to the next generation.